Hello and welcome to In Depth. I'm Tina Jha. On the 16th of March, the Telugu Desam Party and the YSR Congress gave the notice for a no-confidence motion against the NDA government at the centre. The move came just hours after the TDP ended its 4-year-old alliance with the BJP and walked out of the NDA. The notice could not be taken up in the House for lack of order. A number of parties extended their support to the motion. The government, however, faces no threat since it enjoys an absolute majority in Lok Sabha. In this episode, we'll understand what is a no-confidence motion, what are the procedures in moving it, and its role and relevance in a parliamentary democracy. The present no-confidence motion does not seem to pose any threat to the government. However, it is important to understand the purpose and impact of a no-confidence motion against a government and also what leads to the adoption of such a motion.
The Telugu Desam Party and the YSR Congress have given a notice in Lok Sabha for a no-confidence motion against the NDA government. Enjoying an absolute majority in Parliament, the government needs 272 MPs to prove its majority in the Lok Sabha. While the Bharatiya Janata Party alone has enough MPs to win the no-confidence motion, the support of its allies will allow it to sail through the motion without any problem. But first, what is a no-confidence motion?
नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन कामयाब हो या ना कामयाब हो, नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन एडमिट होना ही बहुत होता है सरकार के लिए। और उसकी दो पहलू हैं। एक तो नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन अपने आप में एक ऐसा व्हीकल बन जाता है जिससे कि ऑपोजिशन में यूनिटी एस्टेब्लिश हो जाए। और दूसरा ये है कि काफ़ी समय तक 15 दिन, 20 दिन, 25 दिन जब तक डिबेट चलती है तब तक सारे देश में सरकार की कामयाबी या नाकामयाबी के ऊपर फोकस होता है।
The first Lok Sabha was formed on April 17, 1952. Parliament saw the first ever no-confidence motion against then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's government. Brought in August 1963, the motion was proposed by Acharya J.P. Kripalani, who gathered only 62 votes in favour. 300 votes were cast against the motion.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बहुमत है, एनडीए को बहुमत है। नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व वाली सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए 2/3 बहुमत से चुन के आई है। पूर्ण बहुमत की सरकार हमारी है, इसलिए हाउस के अंदर भी समर्थन है, हाउस के बाहर भी पुरजोर समर्थन है।
No confidence motion is an important tool against the Council of Ministers in the Lok Sabha. To form the government, it is mandatory for any party to win a majority in Parliament. If 51% of the members of the House vote in favour of the no-confidence motion, it is passed and the government is deemed to have lost majority and has to resign from office. The government has to prove this majority in the House either by bringing in a vote of confidence, or the opposition can ask the government to prove its majority after it brings a no-confidence motion. At times, the opposition also brings the no-confidence motion to force the government to discuss important issues. With inputs from Leena Sharma, Bureau Report for Rajya Sabha TV.
A motion of no confidence against the government can be introduced only in Lok Sabha under Rule 198. Let's see what is the procedure to move such a motion against the Council of Ministers. The procedure for a motion of no confidence is specified under Rule 198 of the Lok Sabha. The Constitution of India does not mention either a confidence or a no confidence motion. Although Article 75 does specify that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of the People, that is the Lok Sabha. A motion of no confidence can be introduced only in Lok Sabha and by the opposition. It can be admitted when a minimum of 50 members support the motion in the House.
ये एक लाइन का मोशन होता है, इसमें कोई आरोप नहीं होते। अगर होते भी हैं तो स्पीकर ऑर्डर करते हैं इन आरोपों को काट दिया जाए और एक लाइन का मोशन लगाया जाए कि ये सदन मंत्रिमंडल में अविश्वास व्यक्त करता है। बस ये एक आइटम एजेंडा पे लग जाता है। ये वन लाइनर मोशन होता है सिर्फ एक सत्र का, और इसके साथ शर्त यह है कि जिस आदमी ने ये मोशन दिया है कि सरकार के खिलाफ ये प्रस्ताव दिया है कि सदन उसमें विश्वास व्यक्त करता है, उसे सदन की अनुमति लेनी पड़ती है, परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है उस प्रस्ताव को मूव करने के लिए। तो स्पीकर उसको बुलाते हैं, भाई आप खड़े होके सदन की अनुमति मांगिए। इसको अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं टेक्निकल भाषा में लीव ऑफ द हाउस।
According to Rule 198(1)(a, leave to make the motion of no confidence shall be asked for by the member when called by the Speaker. Rule 198(1)(b) says the member asking for leave shall give a written notice of the motion to the Secretary General by 10 a.m. on the day he or she proposes to move the motion. If the notice is received after 10 a.m., it shall be deemed to have been received on the next day on which the House sits. Rule 198 Sub-Rule 2 says, if the Speaker is of the opinion that the motion is in order, he or she shall read the motion to the House, requesting those members who are in favour of it to rise in their places. If at least 50 members support the motion, the Speaker declares that leave is granted. The motion is taken up within 10 days from the date on which the leave is asked for. As per Rule 198 Sub-Rule 3, if leave is granted, the Speaker may allot a day, part of a day or days for discussion of the motion. This is done after considering the state of business in the House. Under Rule 198 Sub-Rule 4, the Speaker shall immediately put every question necessary to determine the decision of the House on the motion at the appointed hour on the allotted day or the last of the allotted days. Under Rule 198 Sub-Rule 5, the Speaker may prescribe a time limit for speeches. If the motion is passed in the House, the government is bound to vacate the office.
रूल्स 198 उसमें ये प्रावधान है कि अगर नोटिस दिया जाता है स्पीकर को, तो स्पीकर साहब उस नोटिस को पढ़ेंगे हाउस में, और जिन लोगों ने उसका समर्थन करते हैं उनको खड़े होने के लिए कहा जाएगा या उनकी वोट की गिनती की जाएगी, और कम से कम 50 लोगों की सहमति होनी चाहिए नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन के एडमिट होने के लिए।
There is no special provision in the rules for a confidence motion. Such a motion is moved as an ordinary motion under Rule 184. When no party has a clear majority, the President may appoint a Prime Minister. This person is expected to prove his or her majority through a confidence motion. For instance, in 1998, President K.R. Narayanan appointed Atal Bihari Vajpayee as Prime Minister on the basis of written support by a majority of MPs, but asked him to secure the confidence of Parliament in 10 days. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.
Ever since the first Lok Sabha election in 1952, the no confidence motion has been presented several times in Parliament. Many of these attempts to bring down the government have failed, but there are instances when the no confidence motion did get passed. Opposition parties also use it as a tool to mount pressure on the government to make the ruling dispensation discuss matters of pressing national importance.
No confidence motion is an important function of parliamentary proceedings. Opposition parties use it as a tool to mount pressure on the government by displaying support against the ruling dispensation. Members who back the no confidence motion indicate that they have lost their confidence in the government. It's rare that an opposition manages to beat the party in power with more numbers, but there are instances when it was passed in the House. Indira Gandhi has faced the motion 15 times, the highest till date. CPM leader Jyoti Basu proposed the no confidence motion at least 4 times. Atal Bihari Vajpayee lost power in 1999. He himself presented the no confidence motion twice.
ये अमूमन विधानसभाओं और पार्लियामेंट में होता रहता है, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। एक ना एक प्रधानमंत्री के कार्यकाल में एक आध बार तो जरूरी आता है। ये तब ज़्यादा अहम हो जाता है जब पता लगा हो कि किसी सहयोगी पार्टी ने सपोर्ट विड्रा कर ली है या उनकी संख्या कम हो गई है। एज ऑन डेट तो सिर्फ ये आलोचना करने के लिए लाया जा रहा है। आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है कि सरकार तो मजबूत है, इंटैक्ट है।
It was Morarji Desai's government that became first government to break under no confidence motion. The no confidence motion was passed twice against the government in Lok Sabha. It was saved the first time, but the second time in 1978 lost majority. However, Morarji Desai resigned before the vote.
ये जो पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम है उसका मतलब ही ये है कि सरकार हर मिनट के लिए जब जो सत्ता में रहती है उसको किसी समय भी कहा जा सकता है कि अपनी मेजॉरिटी साबित की जाए।
In 1979, no confidence motion was presented against Chaudhry Charan Singh's government. Fully aware of the proposal, Charan Singh recommended the dissolution of Lok Sabha after handing his resignation to the president. Then in 1989, VP Singh's Rashtriya Morcha government was dissolved because BJP withdrew its support, after which he resigned from the post. In 1993, a no confidence motion was brought against the government of Narasimha Rao, but he managed to save his government. In 1997, Congress withdrew its support of the United Front government, and the then Prime Minister H.D. Devagowda had to resign as he could not get the numbers of vote.
विश्वास मत में तो ये है, सिर्फ सरकार वो ये कह देती है कि आप हम पर यकीन नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैं आपसे विश्वास चाहता हूँ, आप बताइए आपको मेरे में विश्वास है कि नहीं। इसमें सरकार का पक्ष भारी पड़ता है कि भाई खुद प्रधानमंत्री आए हैं कि बताइए आपको मेरे में विश्वास है कि नहीं। नो कॉन्फिडेंस में अपोजिशन कह रहा है कि हमें आप पर विश्वास नहीं है, इस सदन को आप पर विश्वास नहीं है। और क्योंकि डिबेट होता है उसके बाद में 5 घंटे, 8 घंटे, 9 घंटे, उस डिबेट में जो विपक्ष है वो सरकार की कमियां उजागर करता है, सरकार अपने आप को डिफेंड करती है, तो वो सरकार कॉर्नर होती है।
In March 1998, I.K. Gujral's United Front government had to resign after failing to prove its majority. Then in 1999, the government led by Atal Bihari Vajpayee missed winning the no confidence motion by just a single vote and forced Atal Bihari Vajpayee to resign. Before this, in 1996, Atal Bihari Vajpayee had to resign 13 days ahead of the no confidence motion. And in July 2008, the Congress government had to face a no confidence motion on the issue of nuclear deal with US. However, then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh proved his majority in Lok Sabha with a marginal difference and survived the no confidence motion. Vipin Chauhan and Zaigam Murtaza's report, Rajya Sabha TV.
And time for a short break on the program. We'll be right back. Welcome back. You're watching In Depth on No Confidence Motion. Well, besides the no confidence motion, there are provisions in both houses of parliament to raise matters of urgent public importance. Notices can be given under various rules of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to draw attention of the House to such matters. Here's a look at various such motions in parliament.
A motion is a formal notice made to the House by a member to get a decision of the House on an important issue. After a motion is introduced, a vote is taken. The motion is adopted if a required number of members support it. As per Rule 56 of the Lok Sabha, an adjournment motion is brought to draw the attention of Lok Sabha to a matter of urgent public importance having serious consequences, for which a motion or resolution with notice would be too late. In order to discuss the adjournment motion, the regular proceedings of the House are postponed. Adjournment motion is allowed only in Lok Sabha and not in Rajya Sabha. Adjournment motion needs support of at least 50 members. Discussion on the adjournment motion usually begins at 4 in the evening. If an adjournment motion is passed, it is considered a criticism of the government policy on the issue. However, the adjournment motion does not pose any threat to the stability of the government. A calling attention notice is when a member of parliament, with permission of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha or Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, draws the attention of a minister to a matter of urgent public importance. Notice must be given before 10 a.m. on the day of the sitting for calling attention. The minister then presents his statement on the issue on the floor of the House. Clarificatory questions can be asked after the minister's statement, to which he or she has to reply. Calling attention falls under Rule 197 of the Lok Sabha and Rule 180 of the Rajya Sabha. There is no discussion or voting in calling attention notice. This motion too does not pose a threat to the government.
इसमें पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीजर बने हुए हैं, पार्लियामेंट्री रूल्स हैं, जिसके माध्यम से ये नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन, एडजर्नमेंट मोशन, 0 आवर डिस्कशन आदि आते हैं, और वो पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीडिंग के अंदर जो आपके रूल्स हैं उसके अंदर नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन मूव होता है.
Under the provision of a short duration discussion, any member of parliament can raise a discussion on a matter of urgent public importance. The discussion is held under Rule 193 of Lok Sabha and Rule 176 of Rajya Sabha. The member needs to give notice to the Secretary General, specifying clearly the matter to be raised and the reasons for doing so. The notice needs to be supported by the signatures of at least 2 other members. The Speaker in the Lok Sabha and the Chairman in the Rajya Sabha may allot 2 sittings in a week on which such matters may be taken up for discussion. The Minister in charge responds at the end of the discussion. There is no voting in short duration discussion. A member may raise a question involving a breach of privilege either of a member of the House or of a committee. Question can be raised only with the consent of the Speaker in Lok Sabha and Chairman in Rajya Sabha. The question of privilege can be brought under Rule 222 of the Lok Sabha. In Rajya Sabha, the question of privilege can be raised under Rule 187.
देखिए, कट मोशन तो क्या होता है कि सरकार ने ये कट मोशन 2-3 तरह के कट होते हैं। इकॉनमी कट, एक वो टोकन कट, मतलब जो पैसा हाउस सैंक्शन करता है उसमें वो कह देते हैं कि इतना पैसा कम कर दिया जाए या आधा पैसा स्लैश कर दिया जाए या केवल 1 रुपया स्वीकृत किया जाए। इसका मतलब है जितना पैसा सदन ने मांगा उतना हाउस ने नहीं दिया, तो इसको माना जाता है कि कट मोशन हो गया और ये सरकार गिरने की नौबत आ गई। लेकिन सब पर जो भारी पड़ता है, जो लाया ही सिर्फ इसलिए गया है कि इस सदन का विश्वास ही नहीं है इस सरकार पे, तो ये सबसे भारी भरकम हथियार है।
A cut motion is moved to reduce the amount of a demand made by a ministry during the discussion on demand for grants. The Lok Sabha Speaker may or may not admit the cut motion. Similarly, a censure motion is moved to criticize or reject the policy of the government. The President addresses the joint sitting of both houses after every general election before the start of the first session. The House may discuss the matters referred to in the President's address in a motion of thanks moved by a member and seconded by another member. The discussion on the motion of thanks concludes with the response of the Prime Minister. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.
The parliamentary system in India is based on the British parliamentary model. The tradition of the trust vote and the motion of no confidence is the legacy of British rulers in India. In this report, let's take a look at what are the rules or traditions regarding the motion of no confidence in the United Kingdom as well as other parts of the world.
India's parliamentary system is based on Britain's Westminster system model. By the logic of Westminster, you elect a legislature to form the executive, and when the executive doesn't command a secure majority in the legislative assembly, the government falls. In this model, the elected lower house is important. The majority or a minority of the government in the upper house does not matter. Apart from India, Canada and Australia also follow the Westminster model.
आप यदि BBC के ऊपर वहाँ का हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स का यदि रोल देखें या वहाँ चर्चा, मैं कल परसों ही देख रहा था जब ये रशियन स्पाई को लेकर वहाँ चर्चा हो रही थी ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट के अंदर, एक शांत माहौल था और जो भी बात कह रहे थे वो स्पष्ट रूप से 2-2, 4-4 शब्दों में सीमित रूप से कह रहे थे और एकदम डायरेक्ट कह रहे थे कि देश हित में अर्थात यूके या इंग्लैंड का हक में क्या है। जहाँ तक रशियन स्पाई का सवाल है, कहीं कोई न हंगामा था न कोई अपना ये पार्टी का मुख्य दृष्टिकोण के आधार पर डिस्कशन था। सारा डिस्कशन यूके या इंग्लैंड के दृष्टिकोण से था।
No confidence motion was first introduced in the United Kingdom. In 1742, the motion of no confidence was passed against Sir Robert Walpole's government, and it was the first time that a Prime Minister of Great Britain resigned after a vote of no confidence by the House of Commons. After this, on the 10th of March 1782, vote of no confidence was passed against Frederick North's government. Frederick North was forced to resign from his post. By the middle of the 19th century, the tradition of breaking the government was established by the motion of no confidence in Britain. In 2011, under the Fixed Term Parliaments Act, parliamentary general elections must be held every 5 years, beginning in 2015. However, in this as well, a vote of no confidence in the government or a 2/3 majority vote in the House of Commons can still trigger a general election at any time, and if the government does not get the confidence vote again within 14 days of passing the motion in the House of Commons, the House is dissolved.
जहाँ पे भी पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम है यही प्रोसीजर है। जहाँ पे पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम नहीं है, प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम है या कोई और सिस्टम, यूरोप में और सिस्टम्स हैं, वहाँ पे वो अलग बात है। मगर पार्लियामेंट्री वेस्टमिनिस्टर पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम जो संविधान में लाया गया है उसका यही सिस्टम है।
Canada follows the consensus government system, in which the Prime Minister is chosen among and by a vote of the members of the non-partisan legislature. But here too, a vote of no confidence can remove the Prime Minister and the Cabinet from office and permits the members to elect a new Prime Minister. In Germany, a vote of no confidence requires that the opposition on the same ballot propose a candidate of their own, whom they want to be appointed as successor by the respective head of state. Thus, the motion of no confidence is required to be at the same time as a motion of confidence for a new candidate. In Italy, the government requires the support of both houses of parliament to pass a vote of no confidence. Article 69 of the 1947 Constitution of Japan provides that if the House of Representatives passes a non-confidence resolution, the cabinet shall resign unless the House of Representatives is dissolved within 10 days. In the United States, motions styled as no confidence are only symbolic and rare. Party leadership turnover generally occurs as a result of internal discussion and vote among elected members of the party, followed by the response of the public in a primary election and general election. With inputs from Leena Sharma, Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.
And that's it from us in this edition of In Depth. We'll see you same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching.